Student visa about to expire? Stay calm. I've got all the tips you need to get your extension sorted and hassle-free. Hi everyone, welcome back to Education One YouTube channel. I'm Dusty, your host for today's video. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of extending your student visa so you can focus on your studies without any worries. Let's get started. First thing first, can a student visa be extended in Australia? The short answer is yes. But it's important to note that a student visa extension doesn't mean extending the duration of your existing visa. Instead, it refers to applying for a new student visa once your current one expires. So, why might you need to extend your student visa? There are a few reasons. Your current visa may be about to expire. You may have decided to enroll in a new course, or you may need more time to complete your current program. If any of these apply to you, don't panic. I'll guide you through the steps. Before we jump into the process, let's cover what are the general requirements. To extend your student visa in Australia, you must hold a valid student visa subclass 500, be enrolled in a CRICOS registered course, meet all financial and English language requirements, and maintain satisfactory progress in your studies to demonstrate you are a genuine student. Simple enough, right? Now let's move on to the steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you extend your visa smoothly. Number 1. Check for the no further stay condition. First, ensure your visa doesn't have a no further stay condition, which may prevent you from applying for a new visa. If you're unsure about your visa conditions, contact Education One for assistance. Okay, second, confirm your course enrollment. Make sure you're enrolled in a CRICOS registered course. If necessary, obtain a new confirmation of enrollment from your education provider. Gather your documents. You'll need to collect the following: your valid passport, your COE, proof of overseas student health cover, evidence of financial support, academic transcript, health examination results if required, and English proficiency test results if required. Don't forget to extend the validity of your overseas student health cover, as it should cover the full duration of your stay in Australia, not just your study period. Next, apply online. Submit your application via the EMI account portal on the Department of Home Affairs website. Finally, pay the visa fee, which brings us to the next topic. If this is your first time extending your visa, the fee is 1,600 Australian dollars. However, if this is your second or subsequent temporary visa application since arriving in Australia, an additional $700 will be charged for each applicant. Now, let's talk about processing times. The processing time for a student visa extension is generally similar to your initial visa application. It varies depending on your course of study. For higher education, it can take up to 40 days to 4 months, while for VET or vocational education and training, it may take up to 7 months. To avoid unnecessary stress, it's recommended that you apply at least 3 to 4 months before your current visa expires. Once you submit your application, you'll be granted a Bridging Visa A or BVA if you applied while in Australia. The BVA allows you to stay in the country legally while your new visa is being processed, and it will activate once your current visa expires. Please remember to track your application status via your EMI account. It is highly recommended to keep track of your enrollment. Gather all the necessary documents and submit your application well in advance. At Education One, we're here to assess your situation and assist you with your student visa extension application, if you're eligible. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments, or you can book a consultation with us through the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more student tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.